Hey America, with tax season right around the corner, we decided to bring up a topic of importance that affects us all. What could it be, you ask? Let's take a look at my friend Joe here. This is Joe Binary McDougal. Joe, a computer programmer, contracts his services to various companies. Joe has built up his clientele in the years following his graduation from college and has built up a reputation for honest, effective labor at an affordable price. McDougal's PC service. $2,000 to fix your computers? What should Joe do? A. Take the job earning another $2,000 this fiscal year, or B. Continue watching reruns of Happy Days. No, I'm sorry, I can't do the job for you. B. That doesn't even make sense.
It makes perfect sense. In our current tax system, tax rates are divided by income level. The following are the 2007 fiscal year rates. 7,825 is 10%. 7,826 to 31,850, 15%. 31,851 to 77,100, 25%. 77,101 to 160,850, 28%. 160,851 to 349,700, 33%. 349,701 and up a whopping 38%. You see, if Joe doesn't take the job, his taxable income is $159,000, which puts him in this bracket, a 28% taxable rate, paying taxes of $44,520. He nets $114,480 in take home. However, accepting the job, Joe earns $161,000 this year, which puts him into the 33% taxable rate. He'll pay taxes of $53,130 and he'll take home $107,870. You see, by Joe not taking the job, he takes home more money.
A recent study shows that 80% of Americans are confused by the current tax code. Thanks to the graduated income tax, it looks like the shelter for abused women and disadvantaged children won't be getting their internet connection fixed this week, making it impossible to further their education online. There's nothing we can do.
Actually, the solution is a flat tax.
The what?
The flat tax.
Flat what?
The flat tax!
Oh, well, do tell.
In a flat tax system, everyone pays the same percent, no matter of income level. So this doesn't discourage business opportunities, penalize the wealthy, and it radically simplifies the tax code.
That makes perfect sense. Let's take a look at Joe with the flat tax. McDougal's PC service. $2,000 to fix your computers? Yeah, I can do the job for you.